Most expensive engine repairs don't begin with a loud bang or a warning light. They start with a problem that's building quietly every time you drive. Inside every Toyota engine, thousands of controlled explosions are happening every minute. While most of that combustion stays above the pistons, a small amount of gas always slips past the piston rings. Engineers call this blow-by, and every gasoline engine produces it, no matter how new or well-maintained it is. Those gases enter the crankcase, the lower part of the engine where the oil is stored. If they're allowed to build up, pressure begins to rise inside the engine. That pressure has to go somewhere. Left unchecked, it pushes against seals and gaskets that were never designed to hold it, gradually forcing oil out through weak points and creating the leaks many owners simply blame on age. The surprising part is that Toyota prevents all of this with one small component that costs about $25. Most owners never think about it until it stops doing its job, and by then, the damage may already be underway. Let's take a closer look at the small valve that quietly protects your engine every time you drive. The part we're talking about is the PCV valve, which stands for Positive Crankcase Ventilation. Its job is simple: relieve the pressure created by blow-by gases before that pressure can cause problems. The PCV valve is a small one-way mechanical valve connected between the crankcase and the intake manifold. As the engine runs, it allows blow-by gases, along with moisture and fuel vapors, to be drawn out of the crankcase and back into the engine, where they're burned during normal combustion instead of being released into the atmosphere. There's nothing complicated about it. No electric motor, no software, and on most Toyota engines, no electronics controlling its operation. It simply responds to changes in engine vacuum to regulate the flow of gases under different driving conditions. That may not sound impressive, but it's performing an important balancing act every second the engine is running. By constantly venting the crankcase, it helps maintain the environment Toyota engineered the engine to operate in. When it's working properly, you never notice it. When it isn't, the problems usually develop so gradually that many owners don't realize the PCV valve was the cause until oil leaks, rough running, or other expensive repairs begin to appear. In the next part, let's look at what actually happens inside the engine when this small valve starts to fail. The PCV valve is constantly exposed to hot oil vapors, moisture, and combustion byproducts. Over time, carbon deposits can restrict its movement, eventually causing it to fail. It typically fails in one of two ways. The first is sticking closed. When that happens, blow-by gases can't escape properly, allowing crankcase pressure to build and eventually forcing oil past seals and gaskets. The second is sticking open. Instead of regulating airflow, the valve creates a vacuum leak that can cause a rough idle hesitation, reduced fuel economy, or even a check engine light for a lean condition fault. The challenge is that these problems usually develop gradually. The engine may continue running normally, making the failing PCV valve easy to overlook until more noticeable symptoms begin to appear. That's why such a small component can eventually lead to much larger and far more expensive problems if it's ignored. A failing PCV valve rarely causes immediate damage. The real problem is the chain reaction it can set in motion if it's left unchecked. It often begins with a small oil leak around the valve cover gasket. Many owners assume it's just normal aging, replace the gasket, or ignore the leak altogether. But if excessive crankcase pressure isn't addressed, the leak is likely to return. Over time, that same pressure can force oil past more difficult-to-reach seals, such as the timing cover or front crankshaft seal, where repairs become far more labor-intensive. In more severe cases, it can contribute to a leaking rear main seal. On many Toyota models, replacing this seal requires removing the transmission, turning a simple maintenance issue into a repair that can cost $1,500 to $2,500. If the engine is allowed to run low on oil, internal wear can increase the repair bill even further. That's why replacing a $25 PCV valve is far less expensive than waiting until a series of oil leaks turns into a repair costing thousands. The PCV system does more than control crankcase pressure. It also helps keep your engine oil clean by removing moisture and blow-by gases before they contaminate it. This is especially important if your Toyota is mostly driven on short trips or in stop-and-go traffic. In those conditions, the engine may not stay hot long enough to evaporate moisture and fuel vapors, allowing them to mix with the oil instead. If the PCV valve becomes restricted, more of those contaminants remain trapped inside the engine. Over time, the oil can thicken and begin forming sludge. Sludge doesn't just make the engine dirty. It can restrict oil flow to critical components like the timing chain, camshafts, and valve train, increasing wear and shortening the life of expensive engine parts. Toyota engines are built to last, but they still rely on clean oil. A properly functioning PCV valve helps keep contaminants under control, giving the engine the lubrication it needs for long-term reliability. One reason PCV valve problems become expensive is that the warning signs are often subtle. The engine may continue running normally, giving you little reason to suspect anything is wrong. One of the first signs is gradually increasing oil consumption. You may find yourself adding oil between changes even though there's no obvious blue smoke from the exhaust. Another clue is a small oil leak around the valve cover or other engine seals. If a gasket has been replaced but the leak returns, excessive crankcase pressure could be the underlying cause. If the valve sticks open, it can create a vacuum leak, leading to a rough idle, hesitation, reduced fuel economy, or even a check engine light for a lean condition fault. Some engines may also produce a faint whistling or hissing sound near the valve cover, another possible sign of a faulty PCV valve. While these symptoms can have other causes, the PCV valve is inexpensive and relatively easy to inspect on many Toyota engines, making it one of the first components worth checking. Catching the problem early can mean replacing a simple $25 part instead of paying for costly engine repairs later. The PCV valve is easy to overlook because it rarely causes immediate problems. But like any mechanical component, it wears over time as it's exposed to heat, oil vapors, and carbon deposits. On many Toyota four-cylinder engines, replacing it is a simple job that can often be done in under 30 minutes. While some V6 models require a bit more labor, the cost is still small compared to the repairs a failed PCV valve can contribute to. As a general guideline, consider inspecting or replacing the PCV valve every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, or follow the maintenance schedule for your specific Toyota model. If your vehicle sees frequent short trips, has high mileage, or shows signs like increased oil consumption or recurring oil leaks, it's worth checking sooner. Toyota engines are known for exceptional longevity, but that reliability depends on staying ahead of small maintenance items before they become major problems. Replacing a $25 PCV valve at the right time is one of the simplest ways to help avoid repairs that can cost thousands. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth Toyota engineering and maintenance guides that help you avoid costly repairs. And if you have any questions or experiences with a PCV valve replacement, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.